why do marriages between uneducated people last longer?
Then our grandparents can beat our grandmother. She will go to her father's house. They'll like, why are you leaving your husband? Another man will go into the house. But now, Gen Z and the rest, and millennial, they don't take rubbish.
Wait, let me ask you something. So you mean that our fathers that time,
Not all.
wait, you did not say this.
Okay,
not
sorry,
all.
sorry,
This is
sorry,
now
sorry.
this is a new not
Some.
all. Because I won't lie
Not
to you,
all.
in my own village, I know a woman, an old woman, that had a reputation of beating shege. Beating thunder and lightning into the husband. The husband stayed with her.
Out of 10%, like 1% that you see.
No, don't say 10% or one. Don't put percent. Were you there?
In Nigeria today, the rate of divorces in Abuja alone is very high.
Of course, yeah.
Mostly educated people.
What?
They feel like they are way too exposed.
No, he said people want freedom.